Hello guys, today we're making
slime.
Okay, so we have
A big jar, and look what I do when I squish it. And somehow, please. No, please can do it.
What are you trying to do? Whoa, she did it! No, it's all squished. Okay. So we have some Nickelodeon slime glue. We are using magical liquid Elmer's. Then we have bowls and we have foam beads.
You can open it. It's
All the
easier.
way? Okay.
Yep.
Whoa, look at this glue guy. Doing it well.
Ready? Guys, look. This is the good glue. Yes, I thought it was going to be chunky, but it's not. It's good. And guys, this is a big slime. So, yeah.
There's a
And
there's
it
a
fits
lot.
perfectly in the container.
1 second, Daniela. 1 second, Daniela. Okay.
It's so big.
Look at this guy.
Yeah, it has so much. Guys, we might have to use a little bit of water in the bottles to get the rest of the glue out, but we don't.
Maybe we can leave it for next time and then we put white glue in there.
Oh yeah, so it's like a beautiful color.
Yeah.
Okay,
Look,
so
guys. Look
Yeah,
at
the
this.
foam
This
bead.
is silly. Look, guys. It's silly.
Yeah, it looks like a swimming pool.
Yeah.
If you add the foam beads in the glue before adding the activator, it's not that messy.
Now that's good. Oh, that's too much stuff, though.
See, it's like a swimming pool.
Yeah, it's like a box.
Wait, don't touch. Still glue.
Mommy.
Yeah, it's glue, right?
Yeah, I was going to spread all it out. Thought that you put some in your bath bowl inside my.
So, I love that color.
Whoa, look at this.
It's
so
okay, mix.
sticky. Look, guys, it's doing that.
Yeah, like a swimming pool, swimming pool.
Like a bath swimming pool, swimming
Scoop it like this and mix it like this.
Agitate.
Agitate, guys, Ryan. It's okay. You'll play with it later and then you can pick them up. Okay, activator time.
Activator time.
I'm still not done.
Okay.
I'm done now.
Why is it so like slimy? Add a little bit and mix.
Yeah.
It's coming pretty good, guys.
Mm-hmm.
So cool. Did you see Tata's backbone right there, guys? You see it, guys?
See, there's a purple in there.
Yeah, Tata just put some.
Let me see with the light. Where is it, Daniela?
It's right
Oh,
here.
I see it, yes.
And can
You
get
need a
some-
blue one in there so we can find it.
I grabbed purple and blue.
Oh, wow. You guys can still see it? Where did it go?
Where'd it go?
Oh, it's gone.
Oh no, I can't find it.
What did you? How did?
Okay.
Where's
Yeah,
the
we can see.
chicken, guys?
You can see some purple here. So
Guys.
there are 4.
God, what the chicken is in this slime?
I don't know. We had to hide a toy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I
A tiny toy.
got
Yeah.
a tiny toy.
So you can add an activator. Okay, and mix.
Mix.
Why is it not forming? It's not making slime.
No?
I just mixed it a little bit slow. Guys, I just mix it a little bit slow.
Maybe because it's like a lot of glue, then needs a lot of activator. So this one is 16 ounces, 473 milliliters. So it's a lot of glue, huh?
Uh-huh.
Big ball. Your spoon is gone.
Daniela's. Oh no.
Your spoon is
Grab it,
gone.
grab it.
Where is
Grab your
it?
spoon.
I found it.
Oh my god.
See, now you can clean your hand like this. There.
Did you guys see our earrings?
Matching earrings.
I can't move my hair.
So good. Guess I need to mix
Can I
with.
see yours?
Can I see your earrings?
There you go.
I just. Is it good yet? No,
I'm gonna try
not.
to make slime in the container to see if it works.
Guys, it's not working. Not working, guys. Mine's not working. Guys,
Can I mix yours?
mine is not working.
Can I see?
Oh my god, it made slime in the bottle.
Yeah. We need more activator because there's a lot of glue, right?
Yeah.
So when you put it in the
I have
bottle,
a little bit,
because
guys.
it's a little bit of glue only, then you get the slime faster.
Get it off, mommy.
So guys, tomorrow we're gonna buy activator.
Yeah, because this bottle is too small. This one is only 8.75 ounces.
We could buy, because there's like big bottles of those.
And then
We could buy a big bottle.
this glue is 16 ounce ish. So it's too much glue for a little bit of activator.
Guys,